one, drop it.
Guys, back to another video. Today I'm gonna be vlogging of a video of my new black Lego car. So let's get started. In this Lego car, this as you can see, its parts open in front of it. Look, and close it back. There's glass open also. Close this back. And then this or they do it like this. And even this opens. If it locates like this, or even everything opens of the car. So we close it back. Alright. And we put it in normal car. So guys, car has tires with gold things and boosters, lights, and the headlights, and super awesome car with entire awesome boosters. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up like this. And also you have to subscribe to my channel also. Please subscribe also, and I will show you in the next video what I'm gonna make. Okay, bye.